Hey, Chi. Well, guess what, guys? I'm mowing the lawn. I haven't done it for years. I did not have the strength to pull the cord and get the thing going. It's a real tough lawnmower, and to stop it, you've got to pull the spark plug out, and you've got to use a very long stick because I pulled it out with my fingers and I got a shock. So I learned years ago use the mop. But anyway, I'm so proud of myself. I'm out there, I pulled the fucker and it started, so I'm out there mowing. Oh, can't lock Chi in there, she gets upset. It's really noisy, it's really old. Got my safety boots. Yep. Safe. The satisfaction, it's too low. Yeah. Oh, and I have to turn up the revs. There we go. That bit doesn't work anymore, look. So you've got to... Here we go. The lawnmower of justice, Big Henry. The lawnmower of justice. Look at that. Listen to this. There's metal and rocks up there. Look. That's how you fuck up the blade. I can't believe I've got the strength to do this. And I've got my safety boots on, yeah, my safety pants. A denim mini skirt. Yeah. My safety goggles are a cheap pair of glasses. Look at that. Well, we know where to go. There we go. Yeah. I have to move the car. The tractor of justice. Come on, baby. Oh, it's just so... Oh, I love doing that. Look at that. Needs it empty because it's starting to drop all the grass. Yeah, better empty it. Yeah, come on. Look, I have to move my car there. Right. Yeah. Good having energy. Let's back up. There we go. Got to move my car so it's over there. I don't have the strength in my hands to do the whippersnipper because, do the edges because I don't know, I've lost a lot of strength. I'm not as strong as I used to be, even though I'm still doing my weights. Yeah. My safety boots keeping me safe. Safety boots. In New Zealand we call them jandals. In Australia they're called thongs. And in America they're called flip-flops. Because thongs are G-strings. Yeah. Alright. I'm probably mowing up Chiquita's poos, but I already went around and picked them up today. I just thought I'd document this, you know, for myself. Oh, sorry, aircon. Oops. Anyway, that's enough of that because it's annoying, and I'll go over there and move the cars. Yeah. Woo, good exercise. Okay. I'll show you how I have to turn it off. Get electric shock. That's it. You've got to do that. If you just touch it, you get a shock. Okay. I've always loved cutting the grass. I always have. Every house I've ever lived in. Cut the grass. Yeah. Alright guys, I know this is probably a boring video, but for me, it's a triumphant moment actually. You know? That's the banger. And this thing is a prick. Look at that, it keeps going even if you go back. Look, woo, woo, woo. I've had this lawnmower for 17 years. Got it off my friend Brett, God rest his soul. He fell off a motorbike, broke his back, and he had a pump inserted in his back, and he was accused of some horrible charge to do with his daughter. Anyway, I moved straight out because I just had a feeling, and what am I putting that in there for? And then I caught up with my old supervisor, and she said to me, she texted me, Brett was found dead on his floor after 4 days. They found his body. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I know this was boring, but for me it was fun, so who cares? So I'm going to go get Arnie to move his car forward, and then I'll move mine with the fucking pod that I can't lock forward and do around here. How's that looking? I'll go back and do it's an ugly lawn, but I mean, we're renting. I mean, this is disgraceful, but we're renting. I'll go back over here. Alright guys, love to you all. Mwah.